Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Internet Guru. In today's video, I'll show you how to host an API on Hostinger. First, open Chrome on your computer and search for Hostinger. Open the website, create an account, and you'll land on the Hostinger homepage. Next, go to the marketplace and click on All Products. Then select Hosting and choose the hosting plan you want. Click on Explore. You'll see different payment options depending on whether you need web hosting, cloud hosting, or another service. Select your plan and choose your preferred payment term, 12, 24, or 48 months. After selecting your plan, click Proceed to Payment. You'll then be asked to choose a payment method and enter your card details, name, card number, expiration date, and CVC code. Finally, submit the payment and your hosting plan will be activated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from another Internet Guru.